Hello everyone, I am Ranjit J, Assistant Professor in Department of Information Science Engineering, SJB Institute of Technology. In this semester, I'll be handling analog and digital electronics for you all. In this subject, we'll be having totally 5 models. Very first model, we will start with learning about JFETs, MOSFETs and operational amplifiers. Next, we'll be learning about basic gates and different kind of wave shaping circuits. And next, at last, we'll be learning about flip-flops in this subject. If you want to learn this analog and digital electronics, one should have a strong basics on basic electronics as well as logic gates. So here, if you want to learn this subject, you will be having a lot of advantages. In the future, if you are dreaming about to become an embedded system engineer as well as a hardware engineer, this subject really teaches a strong basics about what are the different components you will use for the construction of computer. Thank you, Monica.
Fourth experiment, design and implement half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor using basic gates and implement the same in HDL. That means we have to do the experiment in both hardware and software. First we will go for the hardware and we have to know that first what is adder and subtractor. Adder, which is used to add the binary bits. In adder we have the two types, half adder and full adder. Half adder, it can perform the addition of two binary bits and it can produce two outputs, that is sum and carry. That is here we take the truth table for the half adder, that is 0 0 is sum is 0, carry is 0, 0 1 means sum is 1, carry is 0. If it is 1 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0, 1 1 means carry is 1, sum is 0. And this is the expression what we obtained for the sum and carry. There is somewhere we get the 1 1, that is a bar and b and a b bar. That is, we should take the expression as a bar b plus a b bar, and we have to use only the basic gate. Don't use any XOR gate. We have to design by using only basic gates. That's why we use basic gates only. Now for carry we have the 1 here, that is AB. Okay, now we will do the experiment according to the circuit diagram. This is the expression obtained for sum and carry for half adder, and this is for the circuit diagram. Now I will go for, here I inserted ICs. I use for this experiment we need minimum 3 ICs. One is for NOT gate, one is for AND gate, and another is OR gate. And we know that according to pin diagram, each IC of the AND gate, it consists of 4 gates. Here we have the 3, so that we need one AND gate IC, and here we have the one OR gate is there. We need one OR gate IC and 2 NOT gates are there. We have to use totally 3 ICs. One is NOT gate, that is 7404, and one more AND gate, that is 7408, and one more IC, that is 7432. Totally we need 3 gates, basic gates. Now first I will go for AB are the inputs, that is a pin number 1 of the NOT gate. First I will connect the power supply. 7 is ground and 14 we can use for the plus VCC. 14 we can use plus VCC of 7400. Again we should take, I will connect 7 is ground for another IC and 14 we can use plus VCC. First, after finishing the power supply for all 3, then we should connect to the input. Now here I finished all the power supply of all 3 ICs. That is, the 14 is plus VCC. You connect properly and don't make it complicated. And according to the circuit diagram, the pin number 1 of NOT gate is A. That will go to, you can use any one of the logical inputs. And pin number 3 of NOT gate is the input, that is a B. Here I will take B, or I will go for AND because it is comfortable for me. I will use this as AB. Next, pin number 2 will go to the pin number 2 of NOT gate, that is the output of NOT gate, that will go to the pin number 1 of AND gate. And here pin number 3 of NOT gate, that will go to the pin number 2 of, so here it becomes like this. so that at that time you can remove that one, connect to this one and connect it. And this is 3 of NOT gate should be connected to pin number 2 of AND gate. And what the 3 is obtained output of this NOT gate AND gate, the 3 should be connected to pin number 1 of OR gate. And come to the next one, next gate. There is there is a pin number of 1 of NOT gate. Pin number 1 of NOT gate will be connected to pin number 4 of AND gate. And pin number 4 of NOT gate, pin number 4 of NOT gate, that should be connected to pin number 5 of NAND gate. And pin number 6 is the output of AND gate, that should be connected to pin number 2 of OR gate. And pin number 3 is the output, that we can call a sum, that is a 3, and take any one of the output, connect to any one of the output and make this a sum. And next for carry is, that is AB, take pin number 1 should be connected to pin number 9. This is a AND gate 8, 9. And next is B, that is a pin number 3 of NOT gate. We will go to the pin number 10 of, so again here it is complicated, so that we move and you can go this way. Okay, that should be connected to 10 of AND gate. And 8 is the output, that is the carry. 8 is the output, that will be the carry. Now these two are the outputs, these two are the inputs. Now you should make it on the circuit, and we can observe okay, here if it is 0, 0, then sum is 0, carry is 0. If it is sum is 1, 0, AB is 1 means the sum is 1. If both are 1, 1 means carry is 1 and sum is 0. See, this is the truth table, we have to observe what will get the output of this one. Okay, if it is 1, 1 means that becomes 1 plus 1 means 1, 0. At the time carry is 1 and sum is 0. We have to observe the output where we are connected the output pins. This is the truth table for the sum and carry. You have to observe while seeing the output the truth table of sum and carry. This is the way to connect the half adders. The similar way we can use for full adder also. It is we have used the same what given already circuit diagram. According to circuit diagram, you should take the ICs and connect it. Now I will go for the subtractor. In subtractor we have half subtractor and full subtractor. In here output should be the difference and borrow, and that I will connect. I have to remove. For that we have to use the same ICs.